Feel my footsteps. I'm coming. Yeah! Feel the thunder. Yeah! Yeah. Ask yourself, do you really want to battle? Do you really got the rhyme skills? Tactical, radical like a militant force, with no remorse, deep in the source. Radical with a militant flow. Feel the blows as you struck down in the front line. Flat line as your heart skips a beat. From the beat of the heat, that I'm coming, that I'm gunning. Ask yourself, what does it profit a man to sell his soul to the elite? To be used like a puppet by the puppet master. Profit a man to make millions and sell his soul. With the record sales that go gold, but ain't got no flow. Rap like every other trap star in the trap, but your rhymes are wicked whack. Feel the heart attack coming as I'm gunning for your #1 spot. Mic set on infrared beam, pointed at you and your team. Street dreams and ghetto fame don't mean nothing as you steady frontin'. Never heard of you, never heard of your street cred. The streets consider you a fed, working for the government, bloodless covenant. The Boffin. I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. I'm praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. I go hardcore. I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. I'm praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. I go hardcore. Yeah. I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. Praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. Yeah. Too many sellouts in the game. Nobody know your name, nobody know your street fame. Is what you posted up to be on your Facebook status, on your hide and your apparatus. I set you flat line on the flight atlas. Yeah, 8 million stories in the naked city, but only one can rhyme gritty and grimy. So go ahead and make my day, and why don't you go ahead and try me? Yeah, you can never define me, define who I am. I'm the unsung hero, untouchable, radical, a one-man army, untouchable. Yeah, exterminate MCs like the Punisher does the Mafia. Stopping your record sales, holding your record labels for ransom. You can come get some if you want some, if you really step, son. Talk about how much you trap, and how many pounds and how many kilos you trap. You ain't nothing but another whack MC from around the way, a copycat MC. Copy them all day, just like another killer copies another killer, but you ain't no killer. Show me a real killer and he's locked down. I spit these bars and I got everyone in the mill town locked down by my bars, and I shut them down. I've been rhyming and flowing and going so hardcore for 20-something odd years. Blood, sweat, and tears. I come in through your window like your worst nightmare. Yeah, I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. Praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. I go hardcore. I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. Praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. I go hardcore. I dismantle you, your boys and your crew. Praying on you like a praying mantis, praying for war. I go hardcore. See, you used to have the skill, but now you're like everybody else. Wannabe.